Let me welcome Ashish to this forum. All of you know who Ashish is. Ashish, if you can also say a few words, it'll be wonderful. Thank you.
Yes, Ram, thank you so much for having me. I was listening to all the stories and, appreciation you're getting toward how good this program is. And first of all, I would like to apologize to all the people. We had to reschedule this. Um, yeah, we try to do good work, but sometimes some inefficiency creep in. But we are happy that we are here with good attendance now, and I will try to, make it consistent so that we don't have any trouble from the next time. I would really like to, thanks everyone and congratulate both. Thanks for taking time out. I know, trainings are important, but uh, Saturday is the time where you would like to enjoy also. I hope you enjoyed this training equally as you would be doing any other pleasure. So, it's not that academic training, right? So it's okay. I would be happy to attend this kind of training on Saturday. It's more pleasure than the academics. So that's the good part about this training. And congratulations, because I'll tell you, there's so many people who wants to get this training, and you are in the third batch, and you are a very select few who are getting this training. And I would like to extend my thanks to Ram, Adit, Som, Arun. We are doing a now third batch. So yeah, a round of thanks is going on. But seriously, I mean, this LTI and Simworks is really proving to be a great combination, and we are really proud of this partnership, right? And now you are all part of this journey. So I mean, Ram always asks me, "Hey, say something about this program." So I mean, I may be repeating few things, but what I really want to say about this program specifically, and I'm so keen in continuing on this program, because there is a difference between knowing and real life experience. And in other words, if I have to put knowledge and wisdom, right? Knowledge, you can get it from reading books. I mean, there is so much of plethora of knowledge available on the Google. You just say agile simulation, probably you will get 30 more things, right? I mean, there are things. You can hear webinar, but we all are engineers. I hope that most of all us are engineers. And the first year, if you see, we have subjects like applied mathematics, applied physics. What is the difference between physics and applied? The difference is that when you apply, then you learn, right? So it is this training can be termed as applied agile, right? Or you can call it an agile simulation. This is actually applied agile, and that is where you really understand the nitty-gritty. So I always say that there is a science and art to do the things, right? I mean, if I ask anybody who has never cooked a meal, if I ask them to cook a aloo gobi ka sabji, they can actually try it, right? I mean, there is a science. You put this much aloo, this much cauliflower, and this much this, and you will make it, but you will never get a taste of what your mother can cook, because she knows the art of doing this, right? And similarly, I always say specifically about the agile roles that there is an art to do this. I mean, you know what a scrum master needs to do. It's written on a page. Hey, this guy facilitates this meeting, daily stand up, ensure this, impediment, this, that, and you say, hey guys, I know what a scrum master needs to do. From tomorrow, I am a great scrum master. But then when you start diving into it, this role, then you understand, hey, it's not that easy, right? There is something else which was not written in the book, and that part is art, right? And art, you can only learn when you start getting the real life experience. So of course you will learn a lot when you actually do it. Some of you have already been doing it, but this is more of a, I would say, accelerator, right? Which pushes you greatly into that direction, pushes you in accelerating your learning toward understanding that role, right? So this way we are kind of taking a leap toward becoming a better scrum master or better product owner, right? This is a leap jump, and this is where I think there is a great value in this agile simulation program. So I'll not take much. These are my just few thoughts about this program. I've been a great advocate of this program within LTI and outside LTI. Now we are reaching out to some of the clients also, because I seriously think, genuinely think that there's a great value in this program, which really takes you high notch up in your learning. So with that, thanks again, everyone. Thanks to the team and congratulations.